Hi everybody, and welcome to this Take 2 episode of Off the Cuff. Now when I say Take 2, that means I'm taking an old recipe I did in the past, and I'm doing a Take 2. I'm re-spinning it to make it lower carb, lower calorie, and more delicious. And today's Take 2 recipe is, oh yeah, a bloomin' onion. Oh, I love blooming onions. I remember when I went to a restaurant, like the Outback Steakhouse, and I had this as an appetizer. Oh, I loved it. I could not stop eating it. I mean, I ate so much of it, I couldn't touch my dinner. Okay, that's a lie. I weighed almost 400 pounds, and I ate everything on my plate, everything in front of me, anything that wasn't nailed down. And this, well, deep fried, breaded, high calorie, high carb. We have to say goodbye. Goodbye, blooming onion, and hello to a lower calorie, much lower carb, air fried bloomin' onion. Oh, I can't wait to show you this. This is so delicious, you're gonna love it. Oh, bloomin' onion. Memories are a wonderful thing, aren't they? I think I still have a picture of that one. I remember the first time I went to the Outback Steakhouse and I had one of these. I thought it was as close to Australia as we're gonna get, but truthfully...
Hold it, mate. That's not Australian.
Who?
Dunder, from down under.
Oh, not Quigley?
Taken.
Oh.
And this is not Australian.
Yeah, I know. What I was just about
That's a Seppo concoction.
Seppo? I'm not talking about the Marx Brothers. Oh, Seppo! American.
Yeah, now you're getting it, mate. In fact, no horse in his right mind would eat this. What'd you call it?
Oh, blooming onion.
Yes, that's right. And it's not Australian. You know what's Australian? Koalas, wallabies, kangaroos, didgeridoos, Mel Gibson, and spiders the size of manhole covers.
What? You have spiders that big?
Oh, they're harmless, mate.
Harmless?
Yes, the little ones you gotta watch out for. Run twice as fast as a man. One bite, you're bloody dead.
Oh my God.
You've never really experienced anything totally Australian, have you?
I guess not.
Until today.
Vegemite?
No Aussie breakfast is complete without it.
Oh, fortunately it's not breakfast time.
Down the hatch.
Well, I had a really big lunch and...
Would you rather pet one of them giant spiders? Yeah. Now swallow.
Hmm?
Swallow it. Now that's Australian.
And now the ingredients. Now for the ingredients for our low-carb air-fried bloomin' onion. 1 large yellow onion. 2 cups of almond flour. 1 cup of carbulose. This is also known as Carb Quick. It's a low-carb flour substitute. 1 cup of milk. You can use whatever you want. I'm using unsweetened almond milk because this takes away a lot of the carbs as well. 2 eggs. 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. This is what you need to make a low-carb air-fried blooming onion. In case you're wondering, I really did taste this. And since this is a video and we do multiple takes, I did it about 12 times. And just looking at this little bottle makes me flush. So thank God that's over. Now for the treat. I have a big yellow onion I'm going to slice into a blossom so we can make our bloomin' onion. Now, you see this part? We're going to cut this. Leave that little knob. That keeps a whole onion together. So we're just going to cut the top like that. What have I done? Okay, and now we peel it. We may fast forward this because this is going to take an hour. Oh wait, maybe not. Look at that. Big kid. Okay, it is peeled. We leave that button on the bottom. Leave it. Now we're going to take this and we're going to cut it into 4s. You start here. Do not cut through this. Start right about here. Slice. That's 1/4. 1/4. Let's see if I got the right. Yep, 1/4. 1/4. So now we have 4s. Now we're going to cut in between each quarter. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So now you have 1, 2, 3, How many you got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 8 different things. And now it falls apart. I am separating this. It's unfolding like a flower. Be very gentle. You don't want to rip off any of these petals. Yeah, I'm just about done. Boy, I wish I had a machine to do this. But no. Yeah, kind of got to do it by hand like that. Okay. All right. The onion is ready now to be battered and to be breaded. We've moved the onion off to the side for now. It's good. Now we're going to make our batter, our wet batter. And we're doing that with the almond milk and the 2 eggs. And we whisk thusly. We be very careful with the onion because there's not a lot of support in the bottom. Put the onion in here, like that. Take a cover. You can do this with a bowl and a dish too. And we do this. Get it nice and wet. Nice and gentle. No need to be hard with this. You want to keep your onion together. Now the breading is the same idea. Almond flour, the carbulose, or I'm using Carb Quick, the salt, the paprika. It's always fun if you say it that way. Paprika. And the pepper, which you can just call pepper. And we're going to do it almost exactly the same way. We reach into our batter. I don't have gloves, so this is going to get a little icky, but that's okay. You take this and you put it in upside down, like that. Reach for cover. And we do this again. Now, this is not all we're going to do. We're going to get most of it this way. Then we're going to go in and we're going to go after the individual petals that don't get it this way. Now this is upside down, so to get it out, you take a plate, because I'm still going to have to use some of this breading. You put your hand here, turn it over, and place it down. And here's where you do an inspection to make sure that you got most of it covered, which I do. But you want to go in between the petals. Okay, so I'm going to put it in the air fryer on a base. I got some heavy duty aluminum foil. And now we're going to take this into the air fryer. We're going to place this into the air fryer basket nice and carefully. You can use some olive oil or cooking spray. So I compromise. I'm doing canola spray. And this actually helps it brown better. Now how we cook it is 20 minutes at 300 degrees, then we pull it out, check it, spray it again, and then 10 minutes at 400. Let's begin. The 20 minutes is up, looking good. We spray it again now. Back in. Now 400 degrees for 10 minutes. Oh, the onion has bloomed. A low-carb, air-fried, bloomin' onion. A low-calorie, much lower-carb, delicious, blooming onion. That was pretty easy. I changed the way I made it. I really like using the buckets. That made it real easy to cover the whole onion. The cooking times are different. This way you don't have to boil it beforehand, and it comes out real good. I didn't do a dipping sauce because I just like Thousand Island dressing. You can also use like a Southwestern Thousand Island or something like that. Or you can make your own, put some hot sauce, whatever. I'm I'm going to be making this a lot because this really was fast to do. So let's taste it. Ooh, came right off. There we go. Crunchy. Delicious. And I am super tempted to eat this whole thing right now. And I'm going to. Only I'm going to turn off the camera. That's it for this time around. We're here again in 2 weeks after this show debuts with another recipe. Until then, be well, eat good.